Hi, I'm Rainey and I'd like to welcome you to my Dreamboat project. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to be a record of my journey. Now, one of my biggest bucket list items is to build a yacht. Something large enough that I can enjoy with my family, my children, and my grandchildren. Something where I can travel, go fishing, an office away from the office, I guess you can say, and also that I can use to travel the Great Loop someday. I know it's going to take a few months to do, but I'm really looking forward to that trip. But the situation is I don't have a large enough place to build that yacht yet. So in preparation, I'm going to have fun building and learning as much as I can about boats. So this is where the dream has started. In fact, I've just finished the build of my Seabiscuit, which is a 15-foot sailing cross-rigging canoe. It was a lot of fun to build, and I learned a lot about boat building throughout the process. Now, I want something for right now, or as soon as I can get it built, that's going to be a little easier when I get to the water. I hadn't thought about it, but when I get the Seabiscuit to the water, it takes me about a half an hour to strap on the pontoons, to get the sail all rigged, to get it up and get in the water. By the time I'm out in the water, I'm tired. So I've been searching and searching, found a lot of wonderful boats, and I finally settled on the Sea Strike 18. So I'm going to be building that over the next year or two in my garage because it just fits in my garage and gives me a couple feet to be able to walk all the way around it. So that's going to help me to learn a lot more about building boats in preparation for building my dream yacht and to get experience and all the different techniques such as cutting out wood, the really intricate cuts and using the fiberglass and the epoxy and all that. So as I go through this process, I also want to do a lot of different kind of videos to be able to not only learn, but to help others to learn just in case you're going through this process as well. So I'm going to be reviewing products that I bought. I'm going to be interviewing a lot of the pros out there so I can learn more. And I'm also looking forward to meeting many of you along the way. I'd love to hear your experience, your ideas, and your sea stories. The thing is if we can share things with each other, we can learn from each other, we can help others, and most importantly, make friends along the way. So as you can see, I'm living the dream right now, and I invite you to join the dream with me. So go ahead and subscribe below and leave your comments and your thoughts so we can grow together. Thanks for watching and happy sailing. Bye-bye.